If you were out for a walk and you saw a bush on fire, what would you do? Shout for help? Call the fire brigade? You couldn't ignore it, could you? Well, in our story today, God used a burning bush to get the attention of someone. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? Well, something even more amazing than that happened. The bush, no, I think we'd better read the story. Let's open the book at the story called The Burning Bush.
The sun was burning hot. Moses' skin was burned dark brown. And suddenly he saw it, a bright red burning bush. Its branches crackled orange and red, and Moses couldn't help but watch. But the bush didn't burn up.
"Take off your shoes,"
came a voice from the bush.
"This is a very special place."
Who are you? Why are you talking to me? I'm just a poor shepherd.
"I am the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the God of Israel. And you are more than a shepherd. You are Moses, the man I have chosen to lead my people out of Egypt."
I can't do that. I left Egypt years ago, and anyway, I'm an old man now.
"You can do it. You must do it. For my people are slaves in Egypt and have prayed to be set free. I have heard their prayers, and you are the man I have chosen."
But what if I go and they don't believe me?
"Take the walking stick that's in your hand and throw it on the ground."
Moses did as God had told him, and the stick turned into a wriggling snake.
Snake.
"Now pick it up."
But it's a snake.
Moses wrapped a shaking hand around the snake's scaly middle, turned back into a stick.
"Show them that. Then they'll believe you."
But I'm so shy and I'm no good at talking to people.
"Don't worry about that. Your brother Aaron loves to talk. You can take him with you. Now go. My people need your help."
So Moses went. He put on his shoes, he picked up his walking stick, and he went off to set God's people free.
Moses said, "I can't do that," and had all sorts of excuses. But we know from the Bible that he did do the job for God. He went to Pharaoh in Egypt, and eventually Pharaoh let God's people go. But it wasn't easy, and it took a lot of courage and determination. Moses knew he wasn't the brave, bold sort. He thought he couldn't do the task that God gave him, but with God's help, he could. Even though Moses was a shy man who wasn't good at talking to people, God chose him to do a special job. Think about a time when you've thought, "Not me, I couldn't do that." Maybe your teacher has asked you to stand up in front of everyone and read something, or when you've been chosen to be in a team. Think about how you can believe that you can do it. And now I'm going to say a prayer. And if you want to make it your prayer, say Amen at the end. Dear God, when we're faced with a task that seems much too big for us, help us to remember Moses. Although he was afraid and unwilling, thank you that with your help, he set out to rescue the people of Israel from slavery. Amen.
Amen.
Amen.